G'day guys, Scotty here from The Hook and the Cook, and welcome back to our channel. I'm over here on the main bar sand flats. I'm going to show you guys today how to pump nippers, or yabbies as we call them. They're a fantastic bait for many different species. Okay, yabbies or nippers that we're looking for live in these small holes. Now we're up on the sand flats here. It's dead low tide, and I find dead low with a run-in tide. As the water's moving in, it pushes up through the sand and brings the nippers closer to the surface. And then it's just a matter of going along, finding these holes and putting your pump on them. And sucking away, and I think you see there's one there. Okay, beautiful bait. Now I've pumped these little fellas all the way up and down along the New South Wales coast, and also up into Queensland. They are a deadly bait for many different species. As you can see guys, the tide's pushing in pretty hard now, and that is prime time to pump your yabbies across the flats. Like I said earlier, when the water's pushing across, it pushes the yabbies up and makes them a lot easier to get. So you just work your way across the sand flats and just pump in, no real pattern, just find a nice set of holes, have a pump there, move a bit further along and pump again. Okay guys, I want to talk about the Yabble Pump. Now these are made by Alvey. There is other brands out there, but I think Alvey's probably the best one on the market. It's a simple draw and push method. The draw with a handle and push. So you push down in the mud, suck up the mud and water, and then lift it out and squirt, as you've seen me been doing. They've got a simple set of rubber washers in there that form the suction. Made of stainless steel, fantastic Aussie invention. Get down to your local tackle shop and pick one up guys. It's a great way to get your fresh bait. And my dad's been pumping these flats for probably well over 40 years. There's still plenty of nippers on these flats, as same as there is up and down the north coast. Great way to get fresh bait. Okay guys, you've seen how easy that was to pump some bait. So what I like to do first, once I get back to my boat, or before I take them home, I like to put my yabbies into a sieve and just get all the sand out of the yabbies before I take them home. So pretty simple. Tip them into the sieve, down on the water, and just give them a really good rinse. So you're not taking all that sand home with you. And then I just put them into a bucket and just add a little bit of water, just so they've got a little bit of water sitting over the top of them, as you can see there. And then I get myself an old bottle and just fill it up with salt water. Because what you want to do, in about 6 or 8 hours time, you want to give your yabbies a drain off and give them a drink. And that way you'll keep them alive a lot longer. And I've kept yabbies up to a week at home at times by using this method. And not having too many in the container is an important fact as well. So there we go, some fresh water to give the yabbies a drink. And the last thing we want to do is just give our pump a decent clean. Now I find what happens is sand gets caught up behind the plunger, so you just want to make sure you clean all that out. And of course, once I get home, I'll give it a really good rinse in fresh water, stainless steel, put it away then, good to go again. Now guys, I hope you enjoyed that clip, how to pump nippers on the sand flats. Please tune in next week for another fantastic clip. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And we'll see you guys on the water next week. Cheers.